Hi, today we are going to see how to use COUNTIF function in Google Sheet. First of all, go to your browser. In the search bar, type sheets.google.com. Here, a new interface will open. For video purpose, I am opening COUNTIF spreadsheet. Here for COUNTIF function, you have to type is equal to sign, then type COUNTIF. After that, you have to select the range. I am selecting the range from B2 to page 17. After that, you have to give comma, and then you have to select the iteration. So we will find how many numbers are below or is equal to 80. So type double quotation, then is less than equal to 80, and then close the quotation. After that, close the first bracket and click enter. Then you can see that 7 numbers are is equal to or less than 80. So that's all about COUNTIF function. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.